In Balaji, so we are studying the improvement of the food resources. One by one, we have discussed a lot about the improvement of the food resources. Now, today, we will discuss about the classifications of the crops and its improvement in the crops of yield. So, classifications of crops here is we will get classification of crops. Classifications of crops. On the basis of the season, crops are classified into two categories. On the basis of season, in India, crops are classified into two part. First, kharif crops, and the second we know that rabi crops. Here are two types of crops, kharif crops and rabi crops. Two types of crops we have discussed here. First, we will take here the kharif crops. Kharif crops. What is kharif crops? Okay, kharif crops. Those crops. Okay, those crops are grown. Those crops are grown in rainy seasons. In rainy and winter season. Generally, those crops are grown in hot and rainy seasons. Okay, in hot and rainy seasons in the month of June and October to October are called kharif crops. Okay, so example purpose point of view, we will write here examples. Many examples is available here. So in the case of the kharif crops, like a paddy, soyabean, pigeon pea. Okay, like a paddy, soya bean, like a paddy, soyabean, pigeon pea, pigeon pea. Yes, pigeon pea, etc. are shown here in this area. Pigeon pea and different others plant is also found here. Green grams, groundnut, black grams. Okay, green grams. Green grams is also here. Green grams, black grams, and coconut also. Sorry, not a coconut, ground nuts also shown in this area. So second, we will discuss about the rabi crops. Now we will discuss about the rabi crops. So what is the rabi crops? Rabi crops means that the crops are grown in which seasons? We will take grown in dry and winter seasons. Okay, the crops that are grown in winter and dry and winter season in the month of November to June are called rabi crops. Okay, we will take the examples here is the examples. We know there's a different types of wheat is the first example in this. In the Rabi crops, we will take here wheat grams P. Okay, wheat generally wheat grams P, wheat grams P. Potato, wheat grams P, potato, and any other things is available. So many types of the crops, wheat grams P, potato, mustard, and linseed, barley, mustard, linseed, barley, etc. are said to be the Rabi crops. Now we will discuss the improvement of the crop yield. Okay, so improvement of the crop yield, we will here discuss the improvement of the crop yields. This is the improvement of the crops yield. So what is improvements of the crops yield? Improvement of the crops yield to increase the crops productions. To increase the crop productions, we have to improve the seed for plantings, and improve the seed for planting. First, seed for plantings, and we will improve the seed for plantings and nurturing of the crops plants. Okay, nurturing of the crop plants. And third, we will discuss here about the protections of the growing and the harvesting crops. Okay, so protections of growing and harvesting crops. Okay, the protections of growing and harvesting crops is a must in this area, but we know that accordingly the major group of the activity for the crops yield can be classified, but accordingly major group of the crops are classified in three parts. First, one by one parts we will hear rights, and then after discuss first, second, and the third part. And the first parts we will write here. The first parts is here, so crop variety improvements. Crop variety improvement. First, here is the crop variety improvements, and the second crop productions improvements, and the crop production improvement, and crop protection management. Crop protections management. So here is the three variety. We will discuss these three varieties in another videos, and till then I hope that's it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel so that I can say all the videos can reach you, and you can take the profits. Okay, bye.